So this is how you can pause while recording on your iPhone iOS 18. It's actually a new feature where you can pause the video and then resume it while you're recording. So let's go on ahead and go to our camera app, and as you can see, I'm gonna go on ahead and move to video, and here we are. Now, on the left side, left bottom, there is a pause button which when we tap on it, we can actually pause it and then move to another place and start it once again. Those two lines means pause, and that red line or red circle actually means resume. So once you pause it and then tap on this red button, which is the resume, it's going to start recording once again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a very, very nice feature added, which is probably not a surprise to the Samsung users, but all in all is a very good feature to the new iOS 18. It's very fun. So, for example, you can cut clips, like let's say you're at your house while you're recording this, and then you pause it, and now you're at the mall, and then you resume it. And it's pretty much an easier way than clipping your videos and cutting them in another app like CapCut. This way, you don't have to basically just splice videos, and all you can do, I mean, all you have to do is just tap on this silly button and it's going to pause for you. And once you're done, tap on the middle button and it is going to save at the bottom left. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.